Hey guys, Aaron here from BitBraining, and today I'm going to show you how to mute and unmute your Instagram stories. And make sure you subscribe. Alright guys, so what you want to do is go to Instagram, click on the home button on the left-hand side. I'm going to find an example of a business here, and let's just try to find one. Okay, SUA events. And what you want to do to mute them, go ahead and click on it, hold it down, you click the mute button. It's going to mute the story or mute story and post. I'm just going to mute the story. Perfect. Now, if you did this by accident, there's two ways that you can go and look at it. But first, let's go in and see that this account is actually muted. Go ahead and click on my face or your profile in the right-hand corner. Then click the hamburger menu again in the top right corner. Click settings. Then go to privacy. Then go to muted accounts, and you'll see that, SUA events is a story that is muted. So that way you can look at all the accounts that you have muted there. If you accidentally muted them, scroll all the way to the right, depending on how many people create Instagram stories on your profile. That may be more scrolling or less scrolling. So find the SUA events or the profile that you want to get rid of, hold it down, and then you can unmute that. It will then push it back into the feed, and you should be able to see it. I probably won't be able to find it just because of the amount of people, but you will still be able to see stories for those people again. Like I said, this is great if you want to still follow somebody but not see their stories, or not see somebody's stories or their posts but don't want to unfollow them because you don't want to let them know, or for whatever reason you still want to follow them and not see their posts. I don't know. But if you guys have any questions about how to do this for your business or for your brand, go ahead and comment below and let us know. We're super responsive here. And if this is your first time watching a video on our channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of the content we put out every single week.